In this video, I will show you how to install Yawcam Ai. We start by opening a browser and go to yawcam.com. Here on the front page, you will see a link to Yawcam Ai. Follow that link. And from here, go to the download page and start the download. It is a zip file that needs to be unzipped, and we could use Windows built-in tool to do this, but that will require some extra steps later. So instead, we're going to use 7-zip. So in a new tab, search for 7-zip and start the download. Downloads are completed. Perfect. So let's open the download folder and close the browser. First, we install 7-zip. Just run the setup. Done. So now right-click on the Yawcam zip file and select Open With. Choose another app and choose an app on your PC. And from here, we browse to 7-zip and select the 7-zip file manager and click on Open. And always. Great. I'm gonna extract the files into the program folder, but you can choose to place the files anywhere you like. So just drag and drop them here. Close 7-zip. And we go into the Yawcam folder and start the program by running the Yawcam Ai bat file. In this first start, you will get prompted by the firewall. And just click Allow so that Yawcam can be accessed over the network. Since this is the first start, Yawcam will start the browser with the correct address automatically. But let's say it didn't, and then you can always start the browser from the tray icon menu, like this. That's it. Installation is done, and you're now ready for the initial setup. So, thanks.